What's up, guys? All right, so before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you know that I made 5 passes. The first 4 passes, I was battling a misfire issue, so no matter what I was doing with the tune, it was not helping. I eventually got it resolved. It turned out to be I had bad coils, so I brought my stock coil with me, and I threw the coil in the car, and on the 5th pass, the car finally opened up, and it ran the 12-1. I was so excited the car worked, and you guys have no ideas, like, the emotions that was going through my body at the time. Unfortunately, I didn't really elaborate that in the video too much, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a huge goal for mine that I just accomplished. 7 years in the making of this car. Lots of blood, sweat, and tears in building this thing, and for it to go down on the 5th pass and make a strong pass like that, a car's only going to get faster. Now it's just tuning at this point. So I put my original coil in there with some spark plug wires that I brought just in case, and again, that's when the car opened up and just went straight down the track. So guys, enjoy the video. What's up, boys? We just pulled up to the racetrack. I woke up 2 hours late today. We were supposed to get here at 10 and unfortunately I overslept through my alarm, got up at 9:30 I think, and now it's almost 1 o'clock and we're just getting to the track now. Yeah, boys. So yeah, let's do it. Just pulling up now. That's it, let's do it. We're gonna unload the car and see what happens.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood.
Here we go. First time down the track. Let's see what happens. See if he runs a 9 or an 8 or a 7.
All right, so this is the first run. This is 93 miles an hour at 14.4, super fast, super slow 60 foot, everything sucked. All right, guys, that was the first pass. Yeah, just messing around with the tune a little bit. I left a spot open in one of the boost controller settings and I hit like 30 pounds. So I had to turn it. It hit like 30 pounds and it just fell back down to 13. Clearly the car is not set up at all, so I just raised up the boost limit to everything, the launch limit, so hopefully I can get a better launch with the car and everything like that, a little bit more power behind it. I also am trying to do a boost ramp up, so maybe 20-25 pounds, we'll see what happens. So yeah, buddy.
No hood needed where we're going.
Then I got the boost controller into play a little bit, so we got 13.1 and 113, so we took a whole second and a half off of our time. Still got a 60-foot better, so I'm just trying to dial everything in. So I just did another tune to it, so I increased the boost for the track as well as increased the launch RPM and the boost for the launch, and we're gonna see how it goes. So because it's like 100 degrees today, we have the whole track to ourselves, but the car is getting really hot and it's a little worrying just because it's getting so dang hot. They're doing bike runs and stuff. Look, dude, I'm the only person in the line. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's go for another run.
Okay, pass number 3, going against the 1G DSM. My money's on the 1G. Auto versus stick.
All right, we're gonna check out some spark plugs. That run that I just did, it was breaking up really badly up top. That was another 13.4 pass. So we gotta figure out why it's breaking up. So we're just gonna throw some plugs in it and see what happens. But I think they're gonna be fouled out. Watch your feet, Brian. Don't touch it, it's gonna be hot. Don't touch it, it's gonna be hot. Hot potato, hot potato. It's possible it's just fouled out because I do run nitrous with it, but overall it's pretty clean. So the tune's not too bad. Probably could use a little bit more fuel. So we'll see. We'll take the rest out. All right, we're going on our final run. The last one, like I said, at 13.4. I put the timing down to help spool up the turbo a little bit better, up the launch limit. So this is going to be the final run of the day, and still nobody's here. All right, so that was the newest run. Brian, did you record that?
Yeah.
Okay. So the car's still breaking up. As soon as I get into a certain RPM limit, it breaks up. I take my foot off the throttle and I hit the throttle again. It cleans up and then breaks up again. So I either have a bad coil or my ignition box is bad yet again. So I brought an old coil with some crappy plugs, plug wires, and we're just gonna throw it on and zip tie it together and make one more final pass and see if the car holds up, because that pass, it was a 13.9, so I can't get out of the 13s because I'm just running into this misfiring issue, and we're gonna see what happens. This way and get well, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but we got my coil hooked up, zip tied down. I took everything out with the box, as far as just unplugging it, plugging in my new harness for this, and did a little customization on the DSM link. So now hopefully I don't get spark blowout or whatever's going on. All right, this is gonna be the final run for the day. It's almost 4 o'clock, track closes. Dude, it's hot. I can't get my car to cool down past 180. It's ridiculous. So yeah, so we're gonna give this a last shot, see if I get any breaking up problems. If I do, it's either the box itself is bad or one of the coils went bad. So we'll see what happens.
rest of the day. Let's see if you can break into the 12s.
Okay, well, the CDI box and or the coils were the problem, because now I put my stock coils back in with new plugs, with new plug wires, and it stayed in boost. It didn't break up. We just did 12-15 at 121. I didn't get the data log from this because something happened with the logger, but I've been fighting that breakup all day today, and I finally figured it out. We swapped first we did the plugs, same problem. Then I said, you know what, it's probably the coil and those old coils and or the CDI box. So once we got this set up on, it lit up and it stayed lit up. That was probably about 30 pounds of boost, maybe 27, 30. So I know this thing can take a lot more. 12-1. We're fighting. What is it, low 13s, high 14s all day, and then the one time it works, it instantly goes at 12-1. So the car's got a lot more in it, tuning obviously that too, so we'll see what happens. Until next time, this was fun. Me and Brian, I don't know when we're gonna come back out here. Brian, when are we gonna come back out here? I don't know, yeah.
It's not hot.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk here next time. Dude, it's like 100 degrees out today. Literally nobody was here because it was so hot. I can't cool the car down. It was really fun today though. So we got it. We got a 12-second pass. That's what we told them we were gonna do. Next is all the juice, and we're gonna see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys. Smash that subscribe button, and till next time, I love you. We out here getting Wendy's for the ride home, and came across you. There you are, trash.